Hi, welcome to Outdoor Family UK. Today we're going to be opening a Bulldog homebrew kit. We're just going to be unboxing it, see if we get all the equipment in there, see what we get in there. Hope you enjoy the video. Right, so this has just arrived. It's the homebrew kit that he ordered. So we're going to open it up, see what we get in here. It's well packaged. And he ordered it off Amazon from a company called Shop at Home. And considering there's a delay on deliveries at the moment because of the coronavirus, it came really quickly, to be honest. It came before the expected date. So I was made up with that. And it is wrapped really well. It's hard to get into. And here we go, can you see it? The Bulldog microbrewery makes 23 litres of beer. Says it contains all the equipment. So let's have a look what's contained in the box. In the box, got a tub. Tub with a hole in the lid. Nice package, all of equipment. And the Bulldog Premium Lager Mix. Makes 5% ABV lager. Brilliant. And the yeast is on the bottom. Comes with a nice tub. It's got the markings on the side so you know when it's up to 25 litres. The lid's got the hole ready for the airlock. So in the ingredients it says it's got malt, barley extract, invert sugar, hop extract and dried brewing yeast. And the instructions look really easy, but we're going to save that for another video. So last but not least, what bits and bobs do we get with it? So we've got a better brew hydrometer. It comes in a little tube to keep it safe, sponge at the bottom so if it gets shook about it won't damage the hydrometer, sponge at the top. But the great thing about these tubes, when you're taking a reading you can put it in here and drop your hydrometer in to get a more accurate reading instead of putting it in the barrel itself. come with sanitizer, which is absolutely brilliant because you need to sanitize all your kit before you start brewing. Hydrometer with a bung. Airlock with a bung. And to get your beer out the barrel. And the instructions. Telling you exactly what you get in there. And finally, the thermo strip, so you know the exact temperature you'll be brewing your beer at. And that's what's in the box for the Bulldog homebrew kit. Next video is going to be obviously making the homebrew, see how easy it is to make. So I'll catch you next time. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification, and you'll get an update every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching Outdoor Family UK. My name's Mike, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.